Hi, I'm Tim from the Richer Sounds Custom Installations Department, and today we are here in the centre of Southampton, more specifically Sharky Sports Bar. This is one of the largest sports bars in the UK, featuring over 100 televisions and 2 quite large projector screens. Now, we were tasked with the design of the audio-video system for this sports bar. This is the ground floor. There's more impressive stuff upstairs. Let's go and have a look.
Hi, I'm Rod Cake. I'm the owner and managing director of Sharky Sports Bars. The start of the project for me was obviously finding the site. Once we'd found the site and I was in a position to start thinking of kitting it out, my first natural instinct was to contact Richer Sounds. Then I was put in contact with Dean and Tim, who very quickly helped me form exactly what TVs they had in stock, what type of sound system we would need, because it's all very well someone like myself saying I want 100 TVs in there and sound everywhere, but obviously to actually be able to do that is a different thing, and that's where Richer Sounds really came in and become the specialist in what we see today. They really come up with a system that would work, that would be easy for my staff to use, and has that wow factor when you walk into our premises.
So we're on the main floor of Sharky Sports Bar, loads more TVs, big audio system, loads of snooker and pool tables, a fantastic separate VIP area, there's 2 of them on this floor. You can pick your own sport to watch, separate audio system as well, so you can have it loud or quiet, depending on what you want to do as a party. The whole building has got access to 8 sports streams across every single television, and they're all completely independent. If we walk down here, 5 TVs across the top, so you're never going to miss the action, even if you're just going to order a quick pint. And then as you come around the corner, amongst all the TVs is the second big projector screen.
Yeah, so in terms of what I wanted, obviously I've had Sharkies in Bournemouth for 10 years now, so I had a very good guide of what I wanted, and my kind of philosophy of the business is everywhere you look there's a TV, so no wall space whatsoever. So that was quite easy to communicate to Dean and Tim, and we have sort of very specific ways we set up our floors. On our main floor we have a main viewing screen with our stadium seating, and then the idea is everywhere you are, whether you're playing pool, you're playing snooker, table tennis, you can still see the sport without having to turn your neck too much. So yeah, that was basically it.
Right, from the box seats, these 8 custom-made cinema seats. I've got a view of the 5-metre ultra-bright projector screen, more TVs around here. You've got the second VIP room over there. Sit back and enjoy yourself. But this isn't even the last bit, there's more upstairs.
Yeah, so my initial spec was as many TVs as possible, as I've previously said, but Richer Sounds actually helped me massively here financially, because they actually come up with the idea, if we went for bigger TVs, so originally we were thinking 55, if we went for 75 we'd need less TVs, and it would be better for the customer, and that's exactly what we did, and again with the results that you can see, it really worked out.
Okay, we're now on the final floor of Sharky Sports Bar. This is a little bit of a different room. Still got the big audio system, still got lots of televisions, but it's a little bit more chilled out. 2 full-size snooker tables by Star, loads of pool tables as well. The whole idea of this is put some music on, relax. We haven't got the intensity of like a big projector screen and lots of live sport.
COVID was a real challenge for us all, including Richer Sounds, because we'd already by that point placed the order with Richer Sounds, and we had all this stock lying around, because 175-inch TVs, as I'm sure anyone can understand, takes a lot of room. But again, this is where Richer Sounds went above and beyond for us as customers of theirs. They helped us with storing the stock. They came up with a solution where there was a problem, and that was really important to me.
Okay, here we are. It's the beating heart of the entire system that we designed, where we've got 3 Netgear AV switches. They are being used on the Bluestream Media over IP system. So here are our 8 video inputs just here. This is sending all that information out across the entire building to each and every television. Every single TV is wired back into one of these network switches. And then the cloud audio mixer is running our audio zones across the whole building. So the keypads and the speakers wire back into this. And this just extracts the audio from the media system and plays it through the speakers. And then right at the bottom, here's our extra Sky boxes. Some of them are acting as BT boxes. Pictures coming out of that into the Bluestream system, into the network switches, out to the TV. All right, so as we mentioned, each TV is independently controlled. We've got access at the minute to 8 different sports channels, but we can take that further if we need to. We're using the Bluestream Media over IP system, which allows us to expand this. If we added another 100 TVs, it'd be quite simple to actually do. It's all controlled behind each bar here. And this allows us to drag and drop different images into different screens. So I can see here what's being played, and if we want to put that on a particular television, we can just drag and drop it over onto the projector screen, and the projector screen has changed over.
You know, it's having that wow factor when people walk in, and we are a business that doesn't have any windows, so people from the outside, if you've never been into a Sharky's, you've no idea what's inside. And when you walk in and we're specced out like we are, and there's TVs everywhere and 5-meter screens, it really is the impression I want my customers to have, you know, to come into something different and enjoy themselves.
And that was Sharky Southampton, one of our commercial projects that we've done. So whether you've got commercial or residential systems that you'd like us to do, we can guide you through the whole process. So please use the website and get in touch. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.